is working. She's clean. I don't know if we can go do a test today. The only issue I have with that is I didn't realize that I'm set for an ag assault out of Orange on the 24th. So I would be asking for a reset of that jury trial date. As far as the bond violations today, I've explained to her the importance of
No, we've done this before. This is our third time being back. It's unacceptable. I can't just let her go. Then I become an enabler and I'm telling her it's okay for you to do whatever you want to do. And it's not. You know, if you have an issue, you come up to here, you tell us what it is, and then we can resolve an issue. But I can't just let her go when it's a third violation. No, you're skipping test after test after test after test. This is your third time back on bond violations. It's unacceptable. No. She goes with you. Sorry. You're skipping tons of tests. It's your third time coming back for bond violations.
3 bond violations, and she's back in court again. At this point, it's no longer just a legal issue. It's about accountability. The judge is drawing a hard line. But here's the real question. When does giving second chances turn into enabling? Would you give her another shot?
Unacceptable.
Please, my son's graduation is coming. My son's graduation is coming. Please,
I'm not going to talk to you without your lawyer.
We've reached a resolution in Galindo. I just needed to sign.
So she don't no more trial?
I'm sorry.
No more trial?
No.
Okay. Up to her. She's the one that's driving the bus. Is this a true first? Can you look her up, please?
It is a true first, Your Honor.
You scare me. You know, all I asked you to do was not consume while you were on bond, and you were incapable of doing that. You know, the idea is that you learned something. I know that you say yes, I get it, but that you truly learn something, because yeah, this is the first here. How many times has it been in reality? You know, you have to understand that from now on, anytime you get pulled over, an officer will see this.
This is the moment when everything changes. No more warnings, no more excuses. What the judge says next isn't just courtroom talk. It's a reality check for anyone who's ever thought they could get away with it.
If they smell alcohol on you, what do you think they're going to do? What?
I don't want to take a breath of
No.
Go take it in.
Right. That's what's most probably going to happen. And what we're doing today, the proverbial slap on the wrist, from now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. The idea is that you learn to where, if you're going to endanger yourself, okay, but don't endanger other people. God forbid you make some kind of catastrophic mistake where you're looking at 30 to 40, 50, 60 years, because every day it happens in Harris County. Every day someone dies from alcohol-related collision. And it's not fair when $30 will get you anywhere you want to go with one click of a button, man. You know what I mean?
Yes.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement today. What you're doing today is you're making a lifetime decision. So don't take it lightly, because once you plead guilty to this offense, there's no turning back. You cannot come back tomorrow, next week, 2 weeks and say, you know what? I changed my mind. I don't want to do this anymore. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. Do you understand? You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement, Ms. Galindo. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers, the right to be arraigned, charged, read in open court. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, there's no turning back. Is this what you want to do?
I'm guilty.
Ma'am, I'm going to find you guilty. I'll send you to 3 days in jail. I'm going to give you credit for 1. I am going to suspend your license for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license. Let me make one more thing clear to
$33,000. That's the cost of one bad decision. And no, it's not a typo. A DWI isn't just a mark on your record. It's a financial wrecking ball that can shatter your life. Still think driving under the influence is no big deal?
That DWI is huge business in the state of Texas. When you plead guilty to this type of offense, there is a $3,000 surcharge that tacks onto you. And if you don't pay it, every $100 you owe, you sit 1 day in jail. I'm not going to hit you up, but a second DWI, you're looking at $6,000. If you come back with another one, get ready. It's a minimum of 30 days in jail, and you're also looking at potential up to $6,000. Get a clue. Good luck.